Now, when we put the mast back, we're still going to have access to this. So I'm leaving that loose for now. Watch for snags. Okay, ready? You guys okay?
Yeah.
Back about an inch, half inch, you're there. Now, as it starts to go up, we are going to come down and we have to kind of eyeball the base. It should ride fine, but it's going to want to hang up a little bit at the base. Okay, you guys ready?
Ready?
And Mark, go ahead and start taking up load now because we're going to get a fair amount of stretch. Yeah.
There's something. There we go.
Take your time, Tony.
Yeah.
Matt, you okay?
Yeah, doing good.
So Matt, you stabilize. Tony, you go ahead and get up in position. There, now you can stabilize some more with Matt. Are we going there? Okay, great. Now you guys both can stabilize, right?
You got it? I got it.
It's just a,
Okay, I was getting an overlay. So
yeah,
that's
I
why
can,
had to
yep.
do this again.
But we're on a good angle now. Okay, we're just about there, guys. How those shrouds looking, Matt? Okay, we're just about there. Please, slow your progress. How's that backstay look behind you, Matt?
Looks good.
We're not too slack or anything?
Mhm.
Okay, go ahead with the rest, Mark.
I think we're ready for the force
We're at the tip. That's it for me.
Okay. Right up against it, put your chest right up at it, and look straight up. How's it look?
Pretty great to me.
Yeah. Cool tuning. All right, we're gonna have this sweetheart in service in no time for our wonderful members. I'm so psyched to see people taking this boat out. It's gonna be great. Head sail stuff to port, mainsail stuff to starboard. You could take up on this in a second, Matt, since you're there at the mast.